All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is Troy Robison here coming live at you at the time I did this video. Look, if you're watching this video, it doesn't matter where you found it, how you got it, whether it was your friends on my email list, solo ads, if we came from an SMS blast. Look, at YouTube, it doesn't matter. This is a home run mailbox cash opportunity. Do you hear me? I'm going to walk you through these pages, and I'm going to show you exactly what to do and how you can turn $100 one time into $5,000 and much, much more. This is huge. It's on fire. It's huge. It is going to be the top gig for 2019. So I'm going to try to calm down and not be quite so excited. I don't like to be hypey, but I'm telling you, 24 hours I've been in, I've got 9 leads and 3 signups already, and I haven't even hit my list or anything yet, guys. I'm making this video for my team, for my email list, so that they already know me and they know that I do my research first. So if you want to get these $20 bills slammed into your mailbox every week, you've got to join, get access, watch this video now. So let me walk through it real quick, okay? This is Mailbox Cash. Mailbox Cash. How often do you want to get those $20 bills slammed in your mailbox? Well, it's going to be up to you, but we're going to show you how to do it. We're going to help you do it. But you can turn a one-time $100 one time into $500 to $5,000 to $50,000 in the time that you need it. A year, 6 months, a month. I'm shooting for $5K a month, okay? But look, all the other programs have monthly fees and admin fees, and everything. This is $100 one time, period. All right. So what I want you to do is, after you watch this video, I'm going to have a link in the bottom of the video that's going to take you through exactly what I'm getting ready to show you, so that you can order your kit ASAP, get the money sent out. And I'm telling you, I'll do another video tomorrow on the kit, what it looks like, what you get, and how powerful this really is. Once it sinks in after you watch this video, you'll understand. So you'll be coming to this page right here. I want you to get access now. Put in your info, right? It's going to take you to this page. This page has a 5-minute video on it that will absolutely, I'm telling you, absolutely blow your mind. It might be a small explosion like mine, but it will blow your mind, because this is the hottest new system on the planet. Nobody else has designed a comp plan like this at all. Not even close. Not even close. There will be hundreds and thousands of people doing this really, really quick. What I want you to do is I want you to come here. First thing I want you to do before you take action is watch this video. Okay?
For just one time out of pocket $80.
It's $100 now. I'll tell you why. Because that extra $20, he's putting a team rotator together, so that everyone that comes in and pays the 100, right? The 320s, the 420s roll up, 20, 40, 60, 80, and now the extra 20 goes to the company for a team rotator. Guys, that is insane, and that's going to be starting here in the next few weeks. But go through this video a couple times. About halfway through, and he gives the disclaimer. From that point on, you better be paying attention, because that's where the real money can happen. So realistically, it's unbelievable. Watch that video twice, okay? Then I want you to come down. I want you to take action. I want you to get started. It's going to bring you to my capture page, right? What's more fun than getting money in the mail? Absolutely nothing. What are we used to getting in the mail? Bills, right? See what's changing lives and how money is made. This is really a super simple, stupid way to get cash in your mailbox, like clockwork. So here's what I want you to do. Let's put in, I'm going to walk you through it. So I'm going to put my name in, and let's put the Millionaire Team in, right? So you're going to go to this page. You're just going to put in your correct info, because all the important data is going to go to this email. All right? Let's put in Brian Troy. Reverse my middle name here and my main name. Get access. Right? Now, here's what it's going to bring you to. This is what's important. This is part of the funnel that you need to pay attention to. All right? This is how you're going to get that free money. When I say free, I'm talking about after your first 4 sales, 5 cells. You're clear. You're in the red, ready to rock and roll. All right. Watch this video right here. Okay. This is the video that explains exactly what he's doing. After that, let me stop. Okay. That's John Stalvey right there. He's the creator of this. He's a genius. All right. Then you'll come down here if you want to, and you can hear this recorded message. It's got 8 or 9 members on there talking about what they've done to get this type of dough coming in. Now here's the important part, and read this, right? Here's my information. Let's put in Robison, so I can walk you through exactly live what I'm doing. Hit it. Alrighty. Let's do PO Box this time. I'm running out of addresses to use. Fleming Island, blah blah blah. Okay, right? Right here. You want to make sure if you're coming in with me and you've got this through an email or SMS or whatever, you want to make sure it says Troy Robison, Troy R. from Florida. All right? It's going to have your information here, the sponsor, which is me here. And this kit will be from the sponsor listed above right here. This is important. Make sure Troy Robison's here. If you're on my list, you're coming from me, you're a friend of mine. You've got this filled out. You want to click this. Yes, I'm going to have access to $100 in the next week. Well, we're going to show you a way that you can get it done really fast and not have to wait for your kit to come in to get your ID number. You can pay right away with the Zelle app pay, right? And then you agree that you're requesting the kit from your sponsor, the person you know right here, Troy Robison, the guy that's going to put you in the rotator. So now you're in 2 SMS rotators, one with a company and one with us, and you'll be added to our Facebook group so we can absolutely make sure that everybody brings in 10 to 20 people each. Because once you watch that 5-minute video I just talked about, you'll understand the importance of minimum of 10 people each. Hit it. You request your kit. Then it has this video. All right, there's John. He talks about everything. The audio's not good, but that's okay. That doesn't matter. He's a genius. You don't need to worry about how good the audio is. All right, see this email? That's what you need to whitelist, so it don't go into spam, so you don't miss anything. All right. See, it's already got. I've already put all my emails in here. See this ID number right here? That ID number is what you will put in the Zelle app whenever you send the $100. This says notes underneath it, and you put in that ID, whatever yours is. That's my 3rd one because I ordered 3 kits because I've done a couple videos today. But to show you your ID, your name will be here, your ID's here. The request date is today, 6/18. It's processed, and it will update on that. Now I want to show you where to send this to. See this right here? Pay close attention to this. Get it right and get in within the first 30 minutes of you ordering your kit. You will get an email after you send the $100 to johnstalveyhome@aol.com. Then in the app, you will put in your assigned username that I just showed you right here. And that will connect you, get paid. You're already connected with me through the system, so it's a absolute no-brainer, all right? Zelle app is the fastest way to do it. He might have Cash App by now and hadn't put it on here, but you can always email him, and he responds probably within 10 minutes. He's a really, really cool guy out of Florida, and he's fast, and he's smart, and he's got this thing locked down for us. There's the 5-minute video. All right? So that's what you will do. If you have to stop the video and go back through and look at everything, you definitely want to watch this video a couple times. Without a doubt, you want to watch this. This is absolutely amazing to have a system that's automated, that you get in a company rotator, that my team is going to be in a rotator, and you invest $100 into your life, your family, one time, and that could turn into $5,000 or $50,000. Now look, it's going to be different for everybody. I just need to let everybody know that those are realistic numbers. But by default, people give up on themselves too fast. So I cannot promise you'll make that money. I'm telling you I'm going to make that much money. And all you have to do is what I do to get that much money, guys. It's simple as that. So once you fill out that form after you watch the video, right here, take action. It'll take you to this page. Watch that video. Call that number if you want to hear any messages about all the testimonies. Get this kit done, right? Make sure your email is there, your sponsor is there. Make sure you've checked, and you've checked. That's the sponsor is me, and that you've got $100 within the next week, but we're going to get you started immediately. Boom, you get your kit. You're good to go. You write down your information, and you're going to be able to rock and roll with us big time. I'm going to show you my back office. Now, I've been in this for less than, well, I guess 24 hours, let's say. Let's see if I'm logged in or not. Okay, I'm logged in. My leads are right here. 7. My kits, I got a new one just came in. 5 are ordered. They do all the cost of the mailing, so guess what? I don't even pay mailing costs. None of us do. So it's already been $6 in mailing today. And I think that was $9 this morning when I got up, right? And then you got your team. I mean, I'm telling you, guys, this is an absolute $40 in less than 24 hours. And I haven't even sent this to my list or anybody else, guys. This is amazing. It gives you pending. Look at this. This is your first level. This is your second position, and that's your third position. You'll explain that in the video. So I've already got somebody in the first position that I brought in that's already got somebody, their kit, in the second position. See how this rolls up? 20, 20, and 20. This is amazing. You do not want to miss any of this, guys. This is a home run for you and your family. So remember, go to the link in the bottom of this video, and let me find it again so you know what the page looks like. Alrighty, it's right here. Let's copy and paste it. Boom, this is what you're going to see, mailbox cash. This is the first thing you start with. You click access, it takes you to the second page with the video. You click that, it takes you to the third page, which is the capture page system. And you fill it out, and it brings you to this step-by-step page on what to do, right? Then you order your kit for free. This, you have to do this. You order your kit no matter what. Then you can go back and rewind the video and get his email and send $100 with your ID. Where is it at? No, right here. That they give you when you order the kit. See, once you order that kit on that page before here, let me try to show you. Right here, and you hit request your kit when all this is filled out and checked, it takes you to this page. You watch his video, whitelist his email so you don't miss anything, get your ID number, send $100 to the Zelle app right here with your ID number in the notes, and then you will be qualified, active. You'll get an email within 30 minutes, and then you'll be able to go through, well, if I can find it, your back office and start to see how powerful this is going to be. This is going to be a no. Look, guys, these guys that are making money already, look at what they referred. 19, 12. I mean, these are average guys like us. Look at this. 488 leads is all he's got to be the top leader, an affiliate. 278. He's doubled everybody else, right? I mean, look, this is who I signed up with, Martin out of Orlando, that owns Best Easy Work. That's why I tell everybody to get their free Best Easy Work platform, because you can also promote it with your Best Easy Work mailbox cash page right here. And all this is already filled out for you. And when they click on that, it does the same thing. It talks about John right here. It talks about, boom, and then they can go straight to this capture page, which everybody gets the same capture page, and you don't need anything else because this is super cool. This is super cool. And I'll also show you how to set up your own capture page system like this right here that I use. So we got a lot of stuff for you, guys and gals. This is a home run. This is going to set you free, I promise you. If you do what we do, you'll get what we got, and it's freedom. And you have to buy your freedom. You won't get it through a job. So God bless you. I look forward to seeing you on the inside. Let's get this party started. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.